This is the AI News Flash for May 19th, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, Fortune reports that AI data centers could contribute to a more than 50% increase in some U.S. states' utility prices by 2030. The hyperscaler 4Company's $725 billion capital expenditure boom for 2026 is driving explosive data center power demand, with grid capacity constraints and electricity price surges creating deep structural problems. Virginia, Georgia, Ohio, and Texas, where data centers cluster, face intense pressure to pass costs to residents, sparking growing political backlash. Polls show over 70% of U.S. adults clearly oppose nearby AI data center construction, making this a top issue for the 2026 midterm elections and raising questions about the White House Ratepayer Protection Pledge's effectiveness. Next, Chinese AI giant Moonshot AI has officially announced a major corporate restructuring to win Hong Kong IPO approval, according to a Bloomberg exclusive. Operating the Kimi conversational AI platform with major Alibaba Tencent backing and an $18 billion valuation, Moonshot is emerging as a fourth pole alongside the Chinese AI Big Three, Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance. Responding to tightened Chinese overseas listing regulations, the company is restructuring its variable interest entity framework, ensuring data security law compliance and clearing Cyberspace Administration of China review procedures, marking the largest case in the 27-company Hong Kong listing rush. Following Zip AI, Minimax, and Jipu AI, this marks a defining milestone in the largest wave of Chinese AI Hong Kong IPOs, signaling Chinese AI companies' independent global capital market access strategy amid U.S.-China AI geopolitical division. Third, British investigative outlet TBIJ has exposed the alarming explosive growth of the racist AI-generated content industry in deep detail. Hundreds of AI-generated image and video networks operate on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, generating tens of millions in ad revenue, mass-producing discriminatory content, targeting immigrants and racial minorities, and structurally fueling hate speech. This serious case parallels Merriam-Webster's selection of AI slop as Word of the Year 2025 and the NewsGuard survey of 3,006 sites, with platform content moderation responses significantly weakening and AI governance frameworks exposing dysfunction. Damage quantification by Harvard and MIT, UK Online Safety Act enforcement strengthening and EU AI Act, transparency requirements. Implementation mark a decisive moment in global AI content governance, sounding alarm bells over fundamental risks to democratic discourse. Fourth, Forbes has sharply critiqued how corporate management practices setting AI token consumption maximization, tokenmaxxing, as a corporate goal have devolved into foolish massive waste of precious AI computing resources. Meta's internal HR evaluation officially adopting AI token usage, ramps company token spending surging 13 times, OpenAI internal consumption of 210 billion tokens weekly, Claude Code usage of $150,000 monthly, and NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's half-salary equivalent token bonus concept have raised concerns as Silicon Valley new norms. Recruitment interviews now include AI compute budget questions. Top users consume over $72,000 worth of tokens annually. Tugscale leaderboard competitions emerge. Workplace status symbols form, and performative demand surges rather than productivity metrics, revealing structural problems. Philosopher Nguyen's critique highlights standardization, sacrificing variability and uniqueness, workers becoming interchangeable, fundamental rethinking of AI-era worker evaluation, tokenization as the fourth pillar of compensation, and a defining 2026 signal for enterprise AI's most important organizational challenge. That's all for this AI News Flash.